Ndị Igbo ekeneni m unu. Asị m na ọ ya dịrị ana Igbo na mma. Na ana Igbo ya dị ka echi, na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo Media bụ ebe a siweletere ya bụ akụkọ ụwa gbasịta maka ya bụ ihe na-eme na ana Igbo n'ebe niile gbara gburugburu bụ ana Igbo si wee bido. Dịka o si dị, ozi ewetara unu ụbọchị nke taa bụ ozi gbasịta maka mkpagbu a na-eme ndị Igbo and nwere onwe a na-azụ n'ana Igbo dịka unu si wee na-anụ ya n'ebe dị iche iche ka o si ada. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ ọbụna nke ụbọchị izi gị gaba arụ ka ịtụsa ya bụ ozi anyị na-achọ ịnọ na Igbo Media kwurute ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ n'ebe dị iche iche ka e wee kọọrọ ụmụnne fa wee marakwanụ ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya ma ndị nwere ụwa na-azọ n'ala Igbo. Dịka o si dị, a ga-alapụ unu ugbu a ka unu gee ya bụ ozi nke anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'ụbọchị uruchi nke taa. Ị ga-esi ya gị deela anyị n'akara kọmentị ihe iche n'ụdị nke gị gbasịta maka ya bụ ife. Ngwadalụ nwanne m, gwa ya okwu.
Personal or attack, but things need to do the normal way. I'm not attacking Ogenkere, neither am I attacking Vam. What will attack them? It will come. What will attack them? Because as I'm talking to you now, Ngozi Orabweze, the Deputy Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government, and also the COS to the United States of Biafra, have lodged a formal complaint to the FBI, informing them about what is happening to the Biafrans in homeland, and why it is very, very imperative and important that the mandate of the United States of Biafra declaration is protected at all costs. Some people now are running. Somebody sent me a message this morning and tell me that Ngozi had went to extreme. The message is in my WhatsApp. Say that Ngozi have went to the extreme. I never see that person before. I don't even know how the person got my WhatsApp number. Maybe watching most of the videos I made, making my numbers public. He said Ngozi have went to extreme. That this is a small play they are doing. That is what triggered him to run to FBI. Are you hearing me now? And Ogechukwu now, as an ex-convict, is shaking. I just pray, may that old man, a young man, make no go catch high BP or stroke, akoko. Ogechukwu now is shaking because Ngozi went to FBI. She lodged a formal complaint about Nigeria, and this guy is shaking. And that is the question we need to ask Ogechukwu Nkere. Are you really working for Nigeria, or are you working for the Biafrans? Because they complain that Ngozi went to lay at the FBI just to inform them in case he find any of these governors in the southeast that they need to be captured and charge them for war crimes. Ogechukwu start to shake. Vam start to shake. Sonia Parawa, that one him out the league. You understand? And why Sonia Parawa is not shaking is simply because Sonia Parawa is not within the terrain of abroad. I mean, what do they call it? Within this Europe or America. So now Parawa is in Cape Verde, or Cape Verde, what do they call him? One country in Africa. That is where the guy resides, not even in Italy or America. So all these ones who is out from our African soil are shaking. I don't even know why. And if you are guilty, you always jittering. So why are they jittering? But anyway, that is a left for you to decide whom to follow. Decide ye today whom you are going to follow. Whether you are following the right channel or you are following the wrong channel. But don't follow people who will take you to where you don't know. Follow people who know road, who will take you to where you are going. The driver that will drive you to your destination is better than driver who will drive you to nowhere. This is a word is enough for a wise. If you get this message, I know you people love me so much, and I appreciate all your love. Please, make sure this message goes viral. Like, share, comment, and keep subscribing, because we need more of you so that we can get to our permanent destination or our permanent site. Because this ministry must get to the permanent site, whether the devil like it or not. Breaking news at Ngozi Ora. This one is Ngozi Ora. So I'm not reading from another person's page. I'm reading from her page directly. Not somebody who reposted. Today, which is yesterday. Let me use the correct date. It happened yesterday because it is too early here in my own terrain. I don't know whether the English is correct. This is, okay, yesterday, February 12th, 2025. Let me make it this way. I made a formal report to the FBI in Atlanta, Georgia, on the suppression operation, killing of an armed innocent Biafrans by Nigerian President Tinubu, Christopher Musa, and people like Bianca Ono, because Bianca can no longer bear Ojukwu. Ojukwu is a brand name in Igbo land, so we can never address Bianca as Ojukwu again. It has stopped. So anyway, you are addressing Bianca, please, I beg you, in the name of whatever you believe, address Bianca as Bianca Ono. We have rejected her, and in fact, we are ready to sacrifice her at the altar of Mezeka, at the altar of Arose. I beg you, verse. According to Ngozi Orabe, he said, I informed them about our independence in Leyte, Finland, on November 29th, 2024. Our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and how Nigeria is truncating our independence. All information was well received and documented. Get that part clear. All the information and the letters he wrote was well received and they have documented. Somebody might ask now, say, why is he going, what can FBI do on our independence, on our sovereignty or whatever? My brother, you make the complaint, let them document it. Don't forget, FBI are still holding secret files of Tinubu. So all these things is what they're going to put together. Whenever they want to crucify him, then the charge will be very, very heavy. FBI might not even have anything to do with our independence or sovereignty, but FBI have a vital role to play on all these ones who have been killing our people for nothing. Some people might not understand this movement, but as time goes on, you will understand. Because all of them have to be charged for war crime. Chukwumacha Soludo have to be charged for war crime. What do they call him? Peter Mba. What do they call this one? Winfuru. And also Hopeless, who's doing the worst of it all. They have been mutilating, massacring the Igbo youths at will anytime they feel like they just summon them and on a close range send them to the demon. I mean, I send them to hell, not demon. Let us continue. He said, for those calling my number or any innocent Biafran's number using fake phone numbers and pretending to be FBI, the radar is on you. Do you know why? She went and submitted it because there's a number that have been calling, and this one is the Obi orchestrated the same thing again by the so-called Ogenkere and his group, calling some Biafrans claiming to be FBI. Now, can you imagine that these people is, I mean, they can go extreme simply because they are desperate for money they are receiving from Biafrans, from their daily contribution. No any other person can ever do that if not Ogenkere, Vam and Sonai Parawa, calling the Biafrans who are not in their camp, and also calling Ngozi claiming to be FBI. So it is one part of those things that triggered her, and she went and led that complaint so that if FBI called, then she will know that it is the FBI. If any number called claiming to be FBI, when they made that report, they will track you. He said the radar is on you. So let this message go viral. If Sunday or Ogechukwu or Vambama are the one who is calling most of the Biafrans that are not in their camp claiming to be FBI, he said the radar is on you. The satellites have been positioned on you. Once you make any pakam, they will just report the number and they will tag the location and get you arrested. So some people might not understand this movement, but Emecha, all you clear Fananya, and then, till then, let us continue. It says USB is a sovereign state and must be protected. Self-defense is our right at all costs. Dr. Ngozi Orabe, the COS and DPM, United States of Biafra. Here are the messages at the comment section. John C. said to protect the mandate is a do or die affair. That means it must be protected at all costs. And he said the restoration of a Biafra is a do or die affair. Nobody can tamper with it. The full restoration of the United States of Biafra must happen for the people to survive. It must happen for us to live. The full restoration of Biafra must happen for the world to become a better place. Honorable Dr. Ngozi Orabo is one of our quotes as we are moving in. It is happening according to this, our brother Chibike said, your action speaks for you, madam. No be cho. Maverick said, excellent move. Andrew said, on your mandate, we shall stand. Chinedu said, wow, nne DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabo may the eternal one Chukwu Okiabiama, Elohim Adonai Yahweh, continue to strengthen, bless, and keep you and bless you SB. God bless United States of Biafra. Mouthpiece said Biafra is now a nation. On Biafra independence, we shall stand. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Dr. Ngozi Chukwu Orabo. Oba said, Chukwu Okike is your strength, DPM. Biafrans will always be at your side. Well done, Mwachineke. Mwachukwu said, we are still watching the movie because this is the era that Chukwu Okiabiama we used to separate the chaff from the wheat. God bless our prophet Nnamdi Kanu and our leader, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa Njoko. Ugonna said, good work. Freedom for Biafra. Says, may the Almighty God keep on the strengthen you until Biafra is restored in Jesus' mighty name. She pray. Amen. SMMG said, that is it. No rest for the wicked. Nigeria government and their enablers in Biafra land. At Alex Tube, at Ray Donald Trump, at Jim_Jordan, at Finland, USA, at Vatican News, at ICC, at Simon Ekpa Njoko. Biafra people love you 100%. Weke Stanley Chukwebuka, now I talk that one. Ifeanyi Nzekwe said, nice one, ma'am. In fact, we have love you. In fact, he said the love they have for you now have increased because you keep on making, you keep on making waves every day in, day out. And that is a very, very good thing to do. Imam said, this is good move. If the criminal gang leader Oge Nkere Anyogo will be summoned in their court of law for multiple criminal offenses towards the USB government, that will be a good approach as well. Edu Chichi, all I need is Biafra to come, and nothing more, nothing less. Simon Ekpa Kenneth Igwe said, good move, my able lioness. We genuine Biafrans are solidly behind you. You see what is happening? The message is very, very clear to layman's understanding. It is very, very clear, even to the blind. It is very, very clear, even to the deaf. Follow who know road, so that you will not miss road. Follow that driver who know road, so that he or she will drive you to your destination. Not the one that you'll be shouting, help me, help me, help me. Then they carry me go where I don't know. All the very, very important, my people. Take note. Nago said, keep up the good work, ma'am. Biafrans are happy and solidly behind you. Zion K said, nice move and good one. This one is just they have given the enemy's camp something to talk about because Sonia Parawa, I don't know why I always confuse these two guys. Sonia Parawa, we have a caption for his message today because Ngozi keep on giving them something to talk about. Ngozi keep on giving them something to talk about. So this one, they are really going to talk. I will get their response to you here. Mbe will take their response here. So I will bring their response here and everybody is going to witness it. I know them and I know what they are capable of doing. Let us continue. Chukwudozie said, no. Rosaline said, I hope the Fulefus have had it and be warned. She said, the radar is now on you. The radar, the satellite, if you make any move, if anyone have been called by any strange number claiming to be FBI, report it to the appropriate authority, which is the government of Biafra, USB, United States of Biafra. Report it and FBI will track them and get whoever that is involved. This one is a very, very nice move, and I can tell you the gospel truth. I support it to the brain. I support it from beginning to the last. Let them make that anyhow call again. Chukwudozie Moses said that is action from the able one, standing now from our 3 wise men. Our DPM, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, more protection, strength, and wisdom upon you and your entire household. Fino Okike is with you, our DPM, confirm. Cordelia Eze said, bam, great move to inform the state of Georgia what we are facing in our own territory. Messi Igu said, we love you, our DPM, we dare your back. Giddy bam, nice one. Bignet in Biafra said, welcome development by my DPM. I celebrate you, man. I celebrate grace. When they said, nice one and much love from us, the Biafra people, to you, man, and the cabinet members will move. Okay, the last but not the least. Teddy Bob said a bold step towards USB sovereignty and further awareness to yet to be informed. Kudos to the Biafran government. Thank you so much, ma'am. God bless you. Biker, you dey do things on things. Darkness cannot reign when light is aggressively shining. So let us here. Let us end it here. We are coming back again because there's another message here that Ngozi posted, and we are going to go to it, where she said something like, okay, where she responded about the sit at home today and tomorrow. So there is a very great message about it, and I'll bring it here after this message. So please like, share, comment, and keep subscribing for more interesting videos. To watch this video and to get to this point, I have no idea about, in fact, I don't need any soothsayer to tell me that you truly love me. You truly love Okute Delito. You truly love Okulora One Nation. May Chineke, may he continue to guide you, protect you, provide for you, and make you one of the best. In this 2025, my dear, you can never beg to feed. You can never beg to invest. You can never beg to do business. Anywhere you lay your hand, as long as 2025 is concerned, and above, my dear, success, favor, all round breakthrough shall be your portion, both now and forever. Now me, they talk from the depth of my heart. If you watch my video, you get to this point, my brother, I am convinced.
Ngwano, dalo nini no umunnem dikun sinesera ni Igbo media. Gini kunu were ikwu na nkawa nke unu. Gbasta maka ihe nno n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Gwa ya ife iche n'ụdị nke gị. Deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere. Ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o were ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịa nụ.